Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the headset and computer. Charge the Sena 30k above 50% and power it off. This prevents interruptions. Once done, install and open Sena Device Manager on your PC or Mac so the software is ready. Now connect the headset with the original USB-C cable and confirm the computer recognizes it. Make sure any Bluetooth managers are closed. This avoids conflicts. You're setting the stage so the updater can communicate reliably with the device. With the device manager open, wait for it to detect your Sena 30k, look for the device name or a connected status. Then select the firmware update action. The tool may check for the latest firmware automatically. If prompted, back up your settings so you can restore profiles later. Follow the on-screen progress prompts and watch for any required confirmations. Keep the computer awake and avoid running heavy apps. Do not disconnect or power off the headset while files are transferring. After the update finishes, let the Sena 30k reboot completely. This finalizes firmware installation. Next, open Device Manager to verify the new firmware version and restore your saved settings if you back them up. Repair helmets and Bluetooth accessories as necessary and test audio and intercom functions. If something goes wrong, try a simple fix first. Retry the update using a different USB port or cable. Uninstall and reinstall Device Manager, and reboot the computer before attempting the update again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.